Today I am stopping at the Ethel Chocolate Factory. Alright, entrance, we have a cactus garden to the right when you're walking in. Alright, this is the entrance. And we have George here giving out samples.
Absolutely. Milk or dark chocolate, 34% cacao, no artificial preservatives added. Best chocolate anywhere.
It is the best chocolate ever. It's my favorite. Thank you, George.
You got it. You know if you need help with anything.
Okay, thanks. Alright, so today we are here on a Sunday, so they're not making any chocolate today, but we can walk through and look at the factory. Here, some more areas where they create the chocolate. Alrighty. Before we go down and buy chocolate, let's look at one more area. This is the cooling tunnel over here. Alright. This is where they package them. This is the packing line. Unfortunately, we can't see them doing it, but you can imagine. We're at the wall of chocolate for selfies. And the shop to buy all of the chocolates that you want. We've got the cores, caramels, nuts and caramels. Alright, we got boxes, truffles, creams. There we go, some collections. Here are the prices. Looks like these are baking chocolate. We got smaller size. Here are some chocolate bars. 5 for $20 on these.
Would you like a sample of our lemon satin cream? We have a box of carrots.
We have lots of samples too. Alright, look at all the different flavors. Chocolates, chocolates,
Would you like a
chocolates.
sample of our lemon satin cream?
Oh, yeah, please, thank you.
You'll be getting that.
Okay. And we get a sample of lemon satin cream. There is lemon satin cream. We are getting that sample.
You go enjoy.
Oh, thank you very much. Alright, outside of the chocolate factory is this cactus garden. Here's all the directions. Chocolate walk, chocolate gift shop, cactus garden cafe, restroom, and Cocoa Way. Let's follow Cocoa Way. How pretty is this? I mean, look at all these. Look at this. So beautiful. Plane landing. so pretty here. Wow. Beautiful flowers. Love this blue agave. Prickly pears. Just walking through, looking at more of a cactus garden. Wow. So beautiful. This is Forrest E. Mars Sr. This bench right here, dedicated to the memory. There you go, look at that. Nice. It's a good view of most of the garden. There you go. Alright, that is the Ethel M. Chocolate Factory in Cactus Garden. Hopefully you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.